Hi, it's HardReset, and today I'll show you how to fix tap to click not working on Magic Keyboard on iPad Pro M5. So if your keyboard is not working when you try to type, just already open something to show you how it's work. And then just detach your iPad. As you can see, it is not working. You cannot type on it. You can even close it and reopen it again. Then attach your iPad once again. And now try. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next one.